Building a good chat app is tough. You need typing indicators, a who's online list, and persistent message history. This can quickly turn into a multi-week back-end project. What if you could skip all of that? Today, we'll build a complete, real-time chat app with all those features in about 3 minutes using a single React component from our Vaultrice React Components library. Here's the component in action. 2 different users are in the same chat room. The presence pile at the top shows who's online. When one user starts typing, the typing indicator appears instantly for the other. Messages are sent and received in real time, and you can even add persistence to save the chat history with a single prop. This is all possible because the ChatRoom component does the heavy lifting, using Vaultrice's Presence API and atomic operations, all powered by our SDK. Building powerful real-time features should be fast and fun, not a back-end nightmare. Get your free account at vaultrice.com and build your own chat app today.